SEIU Local 500 MCPS Office Chapter. How may I help you?
Good evening. I'm calling about the meeting on Tuesday, May 9th at 6 p.m. Gaithersburg High School cafeteria.
Oh, sure. How can I help you?
Well, will this meeting be BYOB, bring your own beer?
Well, no.
Is there any particular reason for the oversight?
Well, because it is at a school.
Well, that sounds fair, and I guess so. And will you be talking about the new orientation for school secretaries there?
Yes, we will. And we'll also be discussing how to balance the demands on our time, answer questions about the new contract, and more.
Can I bring my ferret?
Ferret?
That's right, a ferret. Do
Well-
you have a problem with a ferret?
No, no ferrets allowed. But if you had to bring your child, that would be okay.
Okay, no ferrets. Well played, my dear. I will see you on Tuesday, May 9th at 6 p.m. Gaithersburg High School cafeteria.
Great. See you then. Bye.
Bye.